Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tin fish chutney. Start by rinsing and draining the tin fish, then flake it with a fork. Chop onion, garlic, and ginger finely and measure spices. Heat oil, add mustard seeds until they pop, then sauté onion blend until translucent. Add turmeric, flaked fish, and a splash of water. Simmer gently while stirring to meld flavors and reduce to a saucy chutney. Heat a pan on medium and sauté mustard seeds, cumin, and curry leaves to bloom their flavor. Add chopped onion, garlic, and ginger, cooking until soft and slightly golden. Stir in turmeric, chili, and the flaked tin fish, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons water to loosen the mixture. Simmer gently for about 5 minutes, tasting and adjusting salt, sugar, or tamarind to balance heat and acidity, creating a cohesive, savory. Serve the tin fish chutney warm alongside rice, dosa, or use it as a bold sandwich spread. Allow the chutney to cool completely before transferring into an airtight container to preserve freshness for up to 4 days. When ready to enjoy again, reheat the chutney gently on low heat and stir in a splash of water if it thickens. Garnish with fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime to brighten the flavors before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.